Sukhoi Su-30. The Sukhoi Su-30 is a twin-engine, two-seat supermaneuverable fighter aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Russia's Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. It is a multirole fighter for all-weather, air-to-air, and air interdiction missions. Sukhoi Su-30 Specification. Top speed, 1,317 miles per hour. Range, 1,864 miles. Introduced, 1992. Length, 72. Weight, 39,020 pounds. Engine type, Saturn AL-31. Manufacturers, Sukhoi, Irkut Corporation, Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aircraft Plant. Role multirole fighter, air superiority fighter. National origin Soviet Union. Russia. Design Group Sukhoi. Built by KNAAPO. Irkut Corporation. First flight 31 December 1989, 32 years ago. Introduction 1996. Status and service. Primary users Russian Air Force, Algerian Air Force, Armenian Air Force, Vietnam People's Air Force. Produced 1992, present. Number built 630 plus. Developed from Sukhoi Su-27. Variant Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Sukhoi Su-30 MKK. Sukhoi Su-30 MKM. Accidents. On June 12, 1999, a Russian Su-30MK crashed at the Paris Air Show, Le Bourget, France. Both pilots ejected safely and no one was hurt on the ground. On September 22, 2020, a Russian Su-30M2 was shot down by a Su-35S during air combat training, which pitted two Su-35S against one Su-30M2. When the pilot of a Su-35S pulled the trigger to record the simulated hit, the jet fired a burst from its 30mm GSH-30-1 cannon, hitting the right wing of the Su-30M2, leaving the aircraft uncontrollable and forcing its crew to eject. On October 23, 2022, a Russian Su-30SM crashed into a residential building in the Siberian city of Irkutsk during a test flight. Pilots Maxim Kanyushin and Viktor Kryakov died in the crash, but there were no casualties on the ground. Investigators suspect that the aircraft's oxygen system had been refilled with nitrogen, which caused both pilots to become unconscious and lose control of the aircraft in flight.